So now we're going to talk about is Bellafill safe? That's of course a very important and common question about Bellafill or really any treatment that you're going to do. Bellafill certainly is very, very safe. It would not get FDA approval if it didn't. In fact, it's been subject to the longest study of any filler with the most patients. So it's definitely well studied, and I can say that based both on that FDA approval and in my own experience. I've used Bellafill for about 8 or 9 years now. In the past 2 years, we've really escalated how much we use because I've become much more confident with how safe it is and as well as how well it works. So we're very comfortable with that safety data, both from the studies as well as our own experience here in our office.